Okay guys, this is Jen McClellan and I'm doing the portion of our How to Google Sites video that's going to take you step by step through site creation using Google help page. So first thing we're going to do is open a new site, blank template. So there's a ton of stuff on this help page, and I'm just going to show you maybe the first two things, and then I'll let you explore the menus and the other things on your own. And if you need more help, then Google Sites help can give you. There are also plenty of tutorials available already on YouTube. Yeah. I'll just throw that in here. Okay, so we gotta title our thing, How to Google Sites. It says start a new title, select the template, we chose blank one, edit your site, changes to the name, page, which is going to be actually the next step here. Add content to your site, add, delete, and organize pages. Click that, it's going to take you to this other page, goes into more detail about that. Pages, point, add, new page, publish. Leverage as to Google site. Okay, and I'm going to publish. And on my other tutorials page, I'm just going to enter the YouTube video. Okay. Make it bigger. Let's publish that. And then, whenever you publish your site, it's going to show you the changes you made. Publish often. And when you're done publishing, you can always go preview, and it's going to show you what the site will look like to anybody who's coming to look at it that's not an editor. Check out if the video works.
Hi there, Jamie Key here today.
Okay, and then if you go to version history, it will show you all the edits you've made, the times, the dates, and you can click on that and look at what the site looked like at that point. And if you did some changes you didn't like, you can always restore an earlier version